Mic check. One, two, three. Pro with the tools. Baby Ruth. No, I'm just bullshitting. Yo, this is GKTV Yikers. GKTV Yikers. And I'm going to be switching out some plugins on my vocal chain here, right? So, here's the song with the music. Pull up in the Bronco. Step you 40 times, shake your tonsils. Point score, vibrating joystick. Plugged in like a PlayStation console. Give me dumb brain like a done show. Break the neighbors. If I make it rain, get a poncho. Break the neighbors. On the hunt day, I'm the huncho. I ain't got no neighbors. Job on site, pack your luncho. Alright. I'm going to be keeping my de-esser. I'm going to be getting rid of this. I'm going to keep that. Going to get rid of this. Going to get rid of that. And which, by the way, those have served me well in the past, by the way. And I'll save this as a new session. Snake Charmer 2. Save often, you know. Just in case your shit crashes. And you can pull it right back the fuck up. Imparting my French vernacular, but you know, it's real time over here. Alright, so pull up in the Bronco. Step you 40 times, shake your tonsils. Point score, vibrating joystick. Plugged in like I did that because give me dumb brain like a it brightens it up as well as compressors, right? On the hunt day, I'm the huncho. And this catches what that compression don't catch. This catches what that compression don't catch, alright? And then I did this for tone shaping. Pull up in the Bronco. Step you 40 times, shake your tonsils. Preamp, equalizer, compression, master. You know, just slightly compressing. And then, of course, another compressor. Hey, you got too much stuff going on. I know, but the overall effect is the effect that I'm wanting. And it sounds good. So, as long as your overall effect sounds good, tomatoes. Pull up in the Bronco. Step you 40 times, shake it. And that just makes it full, give it rich, bring some life to it. So, I'm going to keep this. Going to be getting rid of this. Going to be getting rid of that. And I'm getting rid of this. Saved often. And I'm going to be bringing in, how did I have it last time? Yeah. Going to be bringing in de-esser. I just got these today. I looked inside my UA Connect and was like, oh, they're there waiting on me, and I didn't know they was going to be there. I thought I had to, you know, download some more things, but they was already there waiting on me because they're new advertised, and I got them right away, so pretty cool. The UADX Empirical Labs Distressor, and I already made myself a preset, and it was based off of one of these presets in here. It was a squash, but yeah, that's what it was. But I did some little tweaks to it. It made it my own. And I'm going to be bringing in the Avalon VT737 channel strip. And everybody's been talking about this. Everybody uses this from R&B to hip hop mostly. And you know, and it sounds pretty good. And this is based off of a hardware component. But this is software. But sounds pretty close. And you know, and that's why they was charging a lot of money for the thing. Because, you know, it emulates pretty damn close. And I'm up on some deals because I gotta be frugal. Pull up in the Bronco. Let me go to my preset.
Point score vibrating joystick. Plugged in like a PlayStation console. Give me dumb brain like a done show.
Alright.
If I make it rain, get a poncho. On the hunt day, I'm the huncho.
Bring some life back into it.
Job on site, pack your luncho. Fuck what you heard, she ain't lost for words. No. Choked up, I'm the lump in the throat. Have you cutting shit? Put you to sleep with the throat. Loose lips and shit, that's a fofo. Tell the fan kill, she blew my oboe. Hand better than Jimmy Curl, so blow.
Then I have to bring the volume up a little bit more, you know, to match what I had before. I'm going to do a quick A-B comparison. First of all, you ain't afraid. Alright. That was the A comparison. Let's do the B comparison. Yo. And after I, you know, finesse the video up, I'll put a snippet of the song up for like 40 seconds, whatnot, right after the video. This has been This has been Gktv Yikers, pro with the tools, baby Roof. Yikers!